Quick Power System Review. Quick Power System is a guide that claims to explain step by step how people can build their own home power plant and save 60% of their electric bills by only 1 month. Designed so that anyone can build it by themselves, even those who find it difficult to charge their phones, this system can be assembled by anyone. The materials list for how this system can be built is short and can be accessed in less than a second. There are a number of steps that need to be taken in order for the Quick Power System to work and how to do it quickly. Can the Quick Power System be built easily? In terms of the creator of the Quick Power System, he admits it wasn't cheap at all for him to create this system, as he invested a great deal of time, effort, and money into it. The instructions on how to build this system can be downloaded into any computer, smartphone, or tablet via the internet. That means that they can be studied from any location. Basically, it means that the Quick Power System can be built outside, in the garage, or in the basement. The guides on how to make this work as seamlessly as possible are written in detail to assist people in learning how to connect this system to any of their home's appliances. The other interesting thing about the Quick Power System's materials is that they can be purchased for just $106 in total, which is a very good price. On the other hand, almost 90% of the same materials can be found for free in just about anyone's junkyard or garage. Along with the materials list, those who wish to build their own Quick Power System will also be given the complete list of tools with what exactly they require for their device to be built. According to the creator of the Quick Power System, once the Quick Power System is in place, it will be able to provide unlimited power for the entire home. As a result of being independent of the electric companies, we no longer have to deal with depressing bills that arrive in the mailbox each month. The Quick Power System is also said to require no maintenance at all. As a final note, I would like to point out that this Quick Power System will provide you with a fantastic way to build your own home power plant at an affordable cost. This guide provides all the necessary information and instructions. This guide has already attracted thousands of people as they believe it is one of the most reliable products to help you get unlimited power inside your home. You can enjoy the trail on this beautiful guide for up to 60 days. Using the money refund policy available for this product, you can get a refund if you do not get the expected results or do not get a satisfactory result. Don't wait for the perfect time. Use this time right away and get instant access to the Quick Power System.